Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So in this video we will talk about like what happens if someone is there in your Instagram list. You both are following each other and you don't want to be in their friend list anymore. You don't want to be in touch, but if you will go and unfollow them, so that will sound very bad and very rude, like they will think you have unfollowed them. Okay, so how to make it normal, how to get out of this situation is here. First, you can remove them from your follower list. Okay, then maybe instantly or after a couple of days you can unfollow them. So I will show you in my mobile screen, that will make you more clear. This is my Instagram account. I will select any user from my following list. So I will pick one user in which we both are following each other. Okay, so here I will select this user, the Ashok one, and I will show the following list. My username is there. Now we'll check the follower list. My following name is there. Now we'll open his profile. Click on the three dot on the top right, you can see. Click on remove follower. So here I will remove it. So now you can see in their following list my username is not there now. Okay, so now you can do it instantly, but in follower it is there. But either you can unfollow now or you can do it after couple of days. So here I'm clicking on it and I'm doing unfollow. So that's all. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you. Thanks for watching.